Got another DaBaby lesson for you from his new album, Blame It On Baby. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play No Dribble. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. It helps my channel more than you know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Enjoy! So this entire song is made up of two chords, the first of which is a D minor chord. So for this, you're just going to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string, your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string, and your pointer finger on the 5th fret of the high E string. And then next is an E flat major chord. So you're going to place your ring finger on the 8th fret of the G string, your pinky finger on the 8th fret of the B string, and your pointer finger on the 6th fret of the high E string. And all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for No Dribble. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And subscribe for more lessons from this artist. Thanks.